I wanted to refine the skills that I already have, learn about some marketing and things of that nature to help my business grow. I'm looking to start in May of next year, so I want to get all of the information that I can before I start that business.
To kind of refine my skills and to learn how to start up a business.
To increase knowledge and to increase profitability.
I wanted to get the professional experience to get the business side of it and chemicals and equipment and see everything from the professional side of view.
We decided as a company to send the people to attend this class because I think we will get more skills and some hands-on training that will help us to be successful in the area we'll be operating in our business.
We are going to open the business with my friends. We work together, so I'm here just like to take this class because I want to learn how to start the new business startup.
To get a little bit more knowledge on detailing and trying to enhance my own skills so I can take my craftsmanship to the next level.
I just got a new car. I want to take care of it and learn how to really detail better and possibly start my own business in the near future.
I came to Detail King so that I could gain valuable knowledge and skills to better and further my detail business career.
You have to know marketing before you go out there and you start business to help minimize your mistakes. Learning the money aspect of it and what groups to target is important before you start any business.
Classroom portion is excellent so far. Learned a lot, and I'm sure I'll learn a lot more this afternoon.
Very knowledgeable. Oh Lord, more information than I could retain at one time. So I'm glad to give you everything to go home with it.
Today we learned a lot about marketing, on how to make aware to our customers about what we are doing, and a few more details about the auto detailing business in the world.
Oh, Craftsman portion was great. You know, everything's detail oriented and just is a very knowledgeable situation.
There's a lot of information. I'm like, it's crazy.
I think the class is excellent. If you're a detailer out there, come out, give it a try, and see how it works.
I thought it was great. You know, using the polishers and the different compounds to work out the swirls was, you know, one of the highlights of the day. I particularly like, I forget how to pronounce it, but the Rupees polisher. That was good for me because I was looking for something that's a little more easier to use and, you know, less vibration on my hands and my elbows. So that's definitely a highlight for me.
It was excellent. Got to use some different compounds, got to learn about paint correction, and got to use some buffers that I've never used before. It was really good.
It's fantastic. I've been detailing for a while, and the products, the way they work well together, the way they break down, fantastic, fantastic training.
It's definitely a life changer. I learned the differences between compound, sealers, wax, the differences of the machines that we use. Very good experience. Detail Kings, one of the number uno.
Oh, it was great. You guys put power tools in my hand. Absolutely loved it. Everything. The staff is amazing. They explained everything, helped me with everything, and it was like naturally came easy, which I couldn't ask for more. It was great.
I was so excited to go through all of those steps for exterior cleaning. It was very good to see how we come from step one until the car is completely done.
It was good because today I used different products and they show us how to clean the engine, and also it was like different things we do today. So far so good, so I like it.
It was awesome. Before I came here, I thought you just throw soap and you're done, but I found out there's way more than that, and I'm happy I came. It's really good training. I was nervous to use the buffer at first, and it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was.
I thought it was super amazing. Today I learned to use compounds, polishing, and sealants. And also I used dual action tools for the first time, and that was awesome.
I think it was awesome, you know, to get in here and actually see the difference between doing it as a hobbyist versus doing it as a professional, and seeing how many products and stages are involved with cleaning the car was enlightening.
Today's interior training was awesome. I mean, we had a really dirty Acura MDX. We got a chance to scrub the carpets, clean leather. We're getting ready to do some burn hole repair now. So really informative for us, you know.
Today was great. I got to hand it to Nick and the guys. The staff really know their stuff. Told us exactly what to do, how to do it, and really pleased with the outcome. I learned a lot of stuff, got to use the extractor and the steamer. Very good experience.
It was great. The steamer is one thing I've never used, and I'm definitely buying one. But all the products and everything works great with everything.
Oh, the interior, it was very educational, I guess, for somebody that never done the correct way to, you know, clean the interior. It was very good. I learned from how to start to clean the carpet, you know, the mats, the leather, the consoles, dash, you know, very awesome.
Oh, it was amazing. I learned so much between the steamers and the extractors and cleaning the carpets, and just amazing how much it goes into detailing, as in making it clean. It was amazing how it went from a very dirty vehicle to absolutely clean. Very happy with it.
Today we did the interior cleaning, detailing. It was pretty good experience to get through all of those steps on how to turn the dirty car into give a new life. We learned how to use some different chemicals, different equipment, and then I think we've been thinking to do something like start opening a business without training, but we've been thinking that now it will be like a horrible business without like going through all of this training, and then to know how you use a very single chemical in the auto tools.
Today was good because we're learning how to clean it inside, and learn how to use the steam, vacuum. So it was amazing to get experience and to know how the best chemical we can use inside.
Our interior training was awesome. We learned how to scrub the carpets. Well, to begin, the vehicle was a mess. So that was an experience in itself, but you know, to see the outcome of the vacuuming process, to cleaning the upholstery, to cleaning the vinyl, to cleaning the leather, it's quite an experience, you know, to see where the vehicle began and where it ended up. And the car came out really great.
It was nice. I got to learn how to use an extractor and the steam cleaner.
Well, we took a very systematic approach to cleaning the interior of the vehicles, carpet cleaning, leather treating, and cleaning and so forth. We covered quite a bit on interior, used a lot of different equipment, heat and carpet extraction, and we tried different products and you know, saw how they worked on different items within the vehicle. And yeah, I learned a lot.
It was pretty good to learn how to, you know, really get down in the carpets, how to, you know, get the vinyl polished, how to, you know, a lot of different techniques with the Torador, different things like that. It was real good. Like, you know, I learned a lot more than I knew prior to this. You would think interior cleaning is something simple, quick, but you know, to really get down and deep into it, it was a process.
Absolutely. I've already done that. A couple people, I've been posting the videos on Facebook and the pictures and stuff that, you know, we've been doing in the class. A couple people have asked me about it already, so I'm not sure how serious they are, but, you know, they'll probably inquire about it at least.
Absolutely. If you're thinking about doing it, don't hesitate, just do it, and you'll be amazed at how much you'll learn.
Absolutely. I've actually spoken with Nick, and I'm looking at opening up an apprenticeship training up in my shop.
Oh, most definitely. I haven't done it yet, but I'm getting some feedback from the videos that I posted on Instagram, Facebook, so yeah, I know a lot of people is going to inquire about it.
Yes, especially women. Women should not be hesitating in this at all. Detail Kings will teach women everything they need to know.
I believe everyone who is planning or who has a business should come through this training. You will not only know the cleaning, the perfect cleaning process, you will also know the how to manage your business, how you can keep your customers and or other to make a good profit for your business.
Yeah, of course, because this is a good opportunity to know if you have passion to open business or new, so it's help so they can show you how to managing your business, yeah, and you can get confidence.
Oh, definitely, man. This is an awesome experience, and you know, I just want to share the experience and the outcome, the whole transformation of the vehicle with as many people as I can.
Yes, good training. I learned a lot.
Yes, I would really recommend this to the ladies especially. Please don't be intimidated by detailing or car washing. It can be a very lucrative business, and if you like working independently and so forth, being your own boss, this is one of the ways that you can get there.
Definitely. Like I said, coming here, I knew the basics, but you know, I learned a lot from, you know, the last couple of days here.